Have you ever seen someone look successful and thought, if I look like them, I'll become like them? This story will make you think twice. Once upon a time, a donkey was walking through a forest path when something strange caught his eye. Lying on the ground was a lion's skin, big, shiny, and terrifying. The donkey looked at it, smiled, and wore it. The moment he saw his reflection, his chest puffed up with pride. Wow, I look exactly like a lion now, he thought. He started walking with attitude, head high, steps heavy. Soon, a deer saw him and ran away in fear. A fox fell at his feet, begging for mercy. The donkey's happiness had no limits. Looks like everyone is afraid of me now, he laughed inside. Time to rule the jungle. Then an idea struck him. If I roar like a lion, he thought, the whole forest will shake. So he opened his mouth, took a deep breath, and tried to roar. But instead of a roar, the sound was, hee-haw, hee-haw. The forest went silent. All the animals froze. Then suddenly, everyone started shouting, "Wait, that's not a lion. That's a donkey in disguise." The truth was out. All the animals came together, removed the lion's skin, and the donkey was exposed for who he really was. A donkey became a donkey again. Then they all burst out laughing. This story has a very simple but powerful message. Copying the look of a successful person will not make you successful. Wearing their clothes, talking like them, acting confident like them, none of this works for long. If you want real success, you must copy their hard work, their discipline, their sacrifices, their dedication day and night. Because masks can fool people for a moment, but your real voice will always reveal who you are. Stop trying to look successful. Start working to become successful.